You have to do a self-service to fill gas from the station. In Canada, this was something new for me when I had come, and the video I'm making is to help those who are using this for the first time and you know exactly what you're doing. And this is at any of the gas station. There could be slight variation, but once you understand this, you will be able to do this at any gas station. First and foremost, look for the sign self is for petrol and diesel will be written like this. Diesel will be clearly mentioned as diesel.
Here you see preset fuel amount, press it here, and then you get the option what you want to fill. You can set up other amount if you want, and like I'm entering $35.
It's important that you make this selection, otherwise by default $250 hold will be on your card if you are especially using at Petro Canada. So by entering the amount, you will restrict that hold to that amount only.
And then once this is done, okay, this is preset. Then you get this option, you say okay,
Tap the card.
once this is tapped, remove the nozzle, you choose the grade,
You will see the light glow like this. Press and start filling the gas.
you hear that sound, keep the nozzle back, and then press for the receipt.
When you're filling the gas, you will hear this noise, and this is an indication that you are nearing the amount. In case you have put an amount which would surpass the tank capacity, in that case you would hear this noise once or twice. Just stop it. Your tank is